hours. Now, the opposite of this and the lack of sleep, what will cause is it will reduce your attention span, it weakens your working memory, and it slows your learning dramatically. Because now, and you probably experienced this before, you're trying to listen to someone and trying to think about something at the end of the day, after a long day, and all you can say is, listen, let me sleep, and when my brain is working better in the night, in the morning, I will let you know about this. Because right now, it might not allow me to take good decisions. It might make me take, decisions that later on I might just, when I'm actually awake and when I'm actually, with a fresh brain, it will make me say, I don't even know why I said that to you last night when I was tired. And this is one of the reasons why in places like Guantanamo, they used to use lack of sleep as a way of torture, as a way of torture, as a way of adab, to make the person, or ta'dib, to make the person be so tired that now at this point he is so emotionally weakened and so cognitively so weak that it's so easy to make him say or talk about whatever they want or they thought that they that they were able to speak about. Because a lot of those people, they didn't even have any information about anything.